Yo, MRD.
Welcome to another Synfig tutorial. Well, welcome to the first tutorial for the new year. And what better way to bring in the new year than to, create a very simple tutorial to say happy 2022. Well, actually, I'm going to shorten it and just say 2022. But happy 2022, everybody. And so yeah, we'll keep things short today, but look out for much more tutorials in this year and a lot more projects and stuff. All right, so we should be having a very prosperous 2022. All right, so let's get into it. So I'm going to select my gradient tool here and just apply a gradient. Please note I'm using the linear gradient here. And well, let's go crazy. Why not just use the conical gradient here? And we'll just create one of those starburst backgrounds. And I already have tutorials on those, so you guys should know how to do it. If not, please go to the tutorial that I already created. And let me change the amount of the stripe count to maybe 12 here. And I'm going to change the color to maybe a blue. Like maybe, yeah, I think I like that blue. And I'm going to copy this color here. Copy. And I'm going to paste it here as well. So we have the same blue here, but I'm going to make this one a bit lighter, like maybe so. Yeah, that is okay. I won't spend too much time on this, right? After all, I'm just saying happy 2022, okay? All right, so we have our gradient there, which is our background. And now we need our text. So I'm going to select the text tool, and I'm not going to be using any fancy fonts today. I'm just going to stick with Arial, our trusty Arial font here. And I'm just going to go ahead and type 2022. Okay. And with that now applied, I'm going to change the weight to heavy. So we have a much bulkier text there. And I noticed that the blend method is set to onto, so I'm going to change that to composite. And I'm going to apply a gradient to this color. So let me put this into a folder. And let me save. And then apply a gradient here. Okay, well, we don't need the conical gradient for that one. So let me go back to linear here. Apply a gradient. And I'm going to place this onto the text here. And let me just adjust this a bit, bring this up a bit more, pull this down like so. And I'm going to change the colors. Today we'll be using yellows. Yellow will look good on the blue background. So yeah. Oh, well, let me change this one here to yellow as well. But I'm going to change it to a much darker tone from the one that we have at the top there. Like maybe something like, I don't want it too dark. So something like something like that. I think that is okay. All right, so we work with that. 2022. All right, so we have our font all set up. All right. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this font here. I'm going to paste it outside of that folder. I'm going to turn off this one here. And I'm going to put this one into its own folder because I'm going to be doing a number of things to it. And we don't want it to affect anything else. So the first thing that I'm going to do is apply a duplicate layer. So other duplicate, and then I'm going to go back there to transform and add a translate. So make sure that your translate is between your duplicate and your text. I already have a tutorial about how to do duplicate things. So you can go to that tutorial there, but I'm moving pretty quickly. So yeah. All right. So on the duplicate layer, this is where, of course, just a reminder, this is where you can change the number of duplicates that you have, but I'm just going to leave that at 3. So I'm going to go to my translate layer here, right click on the origin, convert to scale, click on the scalar here, make sure that this one in the library is also selected, click on connect. And this is where once you start moving this, you'll see the duplicates happening. Well, let me change the color because I can't see anything that is going on. All right, okay. So we can see the duplicates there. So I'm not going to move it out too far. I'm just going to move it to maybe somewhere here. Yes. All right, so that is looking okay. And I'm going to go ahead and turn on the text on the top now. And now we already see the 3D feel. All right, so I'm going to move this up here. Put this on top. And we can, of course, change the color for our white text here to better match what we have going on the top there. No, this is not planned, okay? So I'm just messing around with the colors to see what works. If there's nothing that works, I'm going to go back to the white or maybe gray. Well, yeah, I'm just going to leave it at white, but you can change it to whatever color you want. And all right, so we have that, and I'm just going to place both of these into a folder so we can move them around. We can scale them all at once. Right? And to better match our text here, I'm going to alter the gradient by moving this down a bit. And maybe here. Yeah, I think I'm liking that. Da-da-da-da. All right, so like that. And then we can add some stars like so. I'm going to change these stars to white. So we have one there. Can put another one here. And we can put another one there. I mean, you can just go crazy and put stars all over the place. But I'll just leave it like that. And a cool trick, just in case you don't know as yet, if you want to change the color for multiple layers, you can just select all those layers and then just change the color all at once, like so. Okay, so that's your first tip of 2022. And I'm going to decrease the opacity for some of these. So maybe 0.5 for this one and maybe 0.5 for this one as well. And then why not just add a bit of animation to get things going. So we just animate our starburst here. Like so. All right, and that's pretty much it. So happy 2022, everybody. Yeah, this was just a fun tutorial to say happy 2022. So yeah, I hope you guys have a blessed 2022, and yeah, so see you in the next video.
Yo, Kemardi.